everybody, welcome to Walker's TV. We got my little kitty. He's very nice. He's always a good boy. Not really. He wakes us up like almost at what, like 5 a.m. or more.
Yeah.
He knocks stuff over sometimes, but he's really cuddly. He's lovable.
What's his name?
Koda.
What's his other names?
Colin calls him, my little brother Colin, he calls him Mr. Scratchy. I'm like, what?
I think he got that from a YouTube channel.
Probably.
I think.
And you think he should be Archie. Loves treats.
Look at this little guy.
Look at him.
Look at that face.
Come here,
Got
Koda.
little boogies coming out of his eyes or something. What is that?
I don't know.
Clean your eyes, kitty.
Aw. He has a little blue collar. So, we also have a dog, but we'll show that next time. Next time. This is a boy.
Well, how about next time? We'll see. Why are you taking his collar off?
So I can show them.
That he likes it?
Yep. He loves to play with his collar for some
Look
reason.
at the scratches on your arm. My cat is great.
I mean, he's nice.
His name isn't Mr. Scratchy.
Yeah, don't you dare call him Mr. Scratchy.
Yeah, don't call him Mr. Scratchy, guys.
Aww,
That's
you're
just
so cute.
And he loves his collar.
Yeah.
I think he likes to play with it more.
Why don't you give him a little treat again? One more.
I swear, if he runs off.
Runs off. Oh, you mean we can get him come back. So cute.
We never knew that he would do that, though.
Yeah, we usually just put him on the floor for him.
Yeah. And then he
Like this, little kitty. And that's really, in all honesty, what we call him is Kitty. Kitty, kitty.
Yeah.
Kitty, kitty.
We have a possum that keeps coming outside. We might try to show you tonight, but
It's too dark. We need light fixed out there.
yeah. But it's pretty cute. It has a white little face, gray, all over it.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Kitty! And he likes videos of kittens meowing.
And he tries to keep them warm.
Yeah.
It's very cute.
Here, ready?
I think he hears
I'm
something.
gonna put it on my computer.
On. I'm gonna check outside.
Hold on. You ready? Here's my computer. Listen to the kitty. Where's it coming? It's coming from the computer. Are you interested? Cat?
Are you interested?
Where are the kitties?
I don't think there's like a
Kittens.
camera right in his face.
Where's the kittens? Come on, go find the little kitten. Oh, see, he's looking around.
Oh. He loves kittens. This isn't like other cats, but he loves kittens for some reason.
Yeah.
No.
You hear?
Oh, he's looking. He's searching.
Let's see what from here to there.
I don't know.
Kitty, come find the kittens. Come find the YouTube kittens. No, he's okay. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Where's the kitties? I think he's like over it because we've done it too much.
Well, that's actually because Dad's fault. Dad does that too much.
Yeah.
Probably get him to stop doing that too.
He's a cute kitty. Ignore our mess on the table. Aw, you're so cute.
The kitten's like biting the person's hand.
You guys are done recording now, right?
No.
You should put that in the intro. I mean, no, you should put that in the.
No.
You should put that in the outro.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, that was a fail.
still looking.
Oh. He's like, where is it? Oh! No, don't jump up there!
Oh no!
Don't jump up there. The picture. He tilted the picture.
No!
You fix it.
Oh my God.
Picture. Careful. Tilt it. Tilt it. A little more. A little more.
Oh my God, kitty.
What are you doing up there?
I think he's still looking.
Kitty.
Aww.
Your old piano bench, which needs to go in the garbage desperately.
Yeah, right.
Aw, you're so cute. You look like you're in the woods. Can you move that cleaning bottle so he doesn't knock it over?
Okay.
Look, it looks like he's in like.
Oh no, he saw it. He sees it. He sees it. He sees the cat.
Oh, he'll actually watch YouTube videos of kittens. Like,
Yeah.
he'll be staring at the screen.
I mean, one time at bed, when I didn't even know he does that, he's looking.
Yeah, he's watching.
Shout out to Love the Cat.
What's it called?
Love the Cat.
Love the Cat YouTube channel with their little video.
Tiny Kitten is angry.
Koda / Mr. Scratchy / Archie really
No.
appreciate that video.
No, don't even start with that. Now you
I don't like any of you.
Whoops.
Oh, there's a treat here. What are you gonna do?
A treat. What about 2?
2 treats. Just sitting here waiting for you.
Lazy cat.
He's confused. He's like, why is everybody paying so much attention to me?
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna get mad. He's angry. Why are you in a bad mood?
I think he's trying to sniff you. I mean, sniff me. Yeah.
How long have we had him, Liam?
2 years, probably.
And
Almost 2 years.
he was a year old when we got him. We adopted
No,
him.
2 years. He was 2 years old.
No, he was 1 year old.
No, he was 2. If
We
he
had
was,
him for 2. I don't remember.
if he was 1, then why is he 4?
I thought he was 3.
No, he's 4.
Well, we adopted him
We
at a
adopted
shelter.
him. Yeah. We didn't even expect that we are gonna adopt this one.
Yeah, I was literally sleeping, and then I woke up and they were like, "Oh, we have a cat," and I'm like, "What?" And I thought they were joking, and all of a sudden, like, I heard a cat, and I'm like, "Wait, no, there's a
And then
cat."
this guy got a fight with our little dog.
Yeah, they don't get along all the time. A little better now.
Yeah, but they still attack each other.
Yeah,
We should put on some Minecraft music.
yeah. Copyright. Speaking of which,
And that song in the background.
that's probably a YouTube song because somebody else put it on YouTube.
Ooh.
You look so mad when you did that. Cats aren't the friendliest animals. He likes to snuggle at bedtime.
Take my
though.
seat, you stupid thing.
Hey, don't get me going.
Come on. You.
Do you
no,
want
no.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, you please.
All right, hold on.
I'll hold it.
Oh, come here.
Ooh.
Oh, you're so
Yeah,
cute.
pick him up.
Yeah.
Yeah, all
Nice
the
and
time.
gentle.
And then
Good
make them
job.
hold your arms together. Okay? No, no. He's running again.
Oh, look at what well, baby. Yes, no.
Can you let me put this on just for today? I only took it off for like 1 minute and it's already crazy.
Yeah.
Actually, I want to keep this off. For the only one time. Is it a one-time
Do
person?
you want me to do it?
Huh?
Do you need me to do it?
No, I want to keep it
Oh.
off.
Knocked it over.
You crazy
Rude.
kid. You crazy. Oh, he feisty. Oh.
He also loves red yarn.
Yeah. We had a red string. Then all of a sudden, I just turned around to see a
Careful, his
cat.
claws are on it.
I just turned around to see a cat just ready, just behind me. I was like, holy.
Yeah. Good idea.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, nice job.
It's tough.
Just drops it. Just drops on the floor. Round 3. Fight. KO. Oh, he hit me. Round 4 out of 5. Oh my god. Oh
You don't hit him in the face.
Okay, I got him.
Kitty.
Oh god, he's attacking.
I won't hit him in the head.
Oh god, he's attacking.
Well, of course, you're dumping it on his face. Of course he's doing
He's
it.
attacking.
Put it down by his feet.
Ah!
Not on his face, by his feet.
Ah!
By his paws. His little paws.
Oh god. Rude. Round 5 out of 5. Boom. Got a boom.
No, Liam, not on his... God, that's not nice. No, it was-
Hello, sir.
Kitty.
Oh yeah, he doesn't like when you're blowing in the face.
Yeah, most animals don't like that. Kitty.
Just double kidding. All right.
Well, anyway, come here, kitty. Here, Rick, shake them.
I'm here.
Give him one more treat, and then we'll do a goodbye. Lazy.
No, don't take it. Oh, don't. It's gonna attack
Oh,
you.
this way. It's right here.
No, it's right here. That's our cat. I mean, crazy one. He's playful.
And you guys are close.
Yeah, we're like bonded.
Yeah.
He always sleeps on me, but
Yeah.
then he always sleeps on my mom's butt. And like one time he was
Kiss your
like,
face. Your
one
hands
time
are
she was on your chest
Mhm.
and like on her back, and he was like trying to bite her. Remember that?
Oh, when he was literally standing on my back.
Yeah, yeah. And then sometimes he like tries to bite at mommy from the floor. He goes like, zoom, yoink.
Yeah.
You
And
go like, nom.
he's playing hide and seek, and he
Nom.
follows me around and meows, so everybody knows where I'm hiding, and tries to eat my hair.
Maybe we should play hide and seek right now.
Yeah. No.
Improve what's going on.
No, this place is not YouTube ready.
Like the cat or
Can
Carol.
you say goodbye, kitty?
Oh,
Say
you're
see you later.
Oh, he went.
Say I'll see you later. Oh, he just turned my computer on with his butt. He put on another video. Look at you. Hey, you're on my computer. It's just commercial. It's fine. Juice?
Okay.
You want juice? Okay. Just a minute.
Oh my god.
Say bye-bye. Put Koda or Mr. Scratchy or
Oh my god,
Archie.
no. No, stop. It's Koda.
I like Archie.
I like
I always wanted a boy animal named
Vote in the
Archie.
comments below, or
Mr. Scratchy is a cute name
maybe
too.
we should do a vote.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if we'll get enough people to watch it to let us know.
He's trying to put on the ad.
I think we have less than 30 subscribers.
Aw.
Look at his fur. Oh,
Yeah, he looks like he kind of looks like one of those cheetahs, and then he kind of looks like a tiger on his what do you call it? Paw arm thing.
paw arm thing. His leg.
And his head. And his head alone.
Oh, look what he hides.
And he has like a little white. He has a little.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I interrupted.
Then he has like a little.
Excuse me.
Then he has a little white. What do you call it?
Sock. It look like little socks.
Yeah. He's ready for Christmas.
Yeah. Need a little. Imagine if we put like a bow on his tail. How cute that would be. A little ribbon.
No.
Around his tail.
No.
He would go crazy trying to
Yeah,
get it
he
off.
tried to.
He'd chase his own tail like a dog.
No, he doesn't.
I said he would if there was a red string on it.
Oh yeah.
Don't,
no.
don't actually do that. That was a joke. It's a joke. We wouldn't actually torture him. Oh, he's so cute.
Maybe Dad will, but we'll stop him.
All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.
If you guys like him, we can always do more fun stuff. We've been debating doing the cucumber thing with him.
Yeah.
Just see how he reacts.
We're gonna try to see how.
We might. We don't know yet. I don't know if that's mean.
Yeah, but it's kind of funny.
Yeah.
He likes
Say
wet.
bye.
Wait, he likes wet food,
Yeah.
and he looks angry. Oh,
He says
there you go.
bye. I'm done. Oh no, he's laying back down. Jeez, he sleeps like a lot.
Yeah. He sleeps mostly through night instead of the day. I'm surprised. I mean, it's actually nighttime right now, so I'm
Yep.
surprised he's even awake. And he
Yeah.
like curls up in a little ball.
Yeah.
Isn't that right? Like he
Cute.
curls up like into a little baby ball, like
Mhm.
circling. And he looks so.
The way his face turns. He's like, I will cut you. I will cut you. So mad. Stop looking at me. Doesn't work if you're already looking at me. I will eat you. Okay. Say bye. Liam's gonna pee his pants.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Kitty. Is it over yet?
Yeah, it's over.
This